So as you know, Corona have come again with its third wave. The Omicron cases have almost 2.5 lakh cases per day, and now it's really difficult to manage COVID again. Now what if I told you that I can build a circuit on Tinkercad that will show you if you are following social distancing or not. And if you aren't following a social distancing, it will buzzer and will make sure that you are following it. So to build social distancing detector, we need a Arduino board, a breadboard, a PIR sensor. A PIR sensor is a thermal detecting sensor which will describe the motion of human around us. Then we need an ultrasonic distance sensor which will measure the distance between me and another person in the room. And then finally we need a buzzer, a piezo, which will buzzer if there is a person around us. So for proper working, I have connected a ground with a breadboard, then a 5-volt battery with a breadboard, and then having a suitable connection, I will show you how it's works. So proper working of social distancing detector, I have written a code from a source. According to this code, if a person is around me within a 200 centimeter range, the buzzer will turn on and will make an alarm. So here it is. Now I will set a distance around me around 150 centimeter, and a PIR sensor will detect. And as you can see, a buzzer is hitting. That means I am not. So as you can see, the buzzer was hit. That means I am not safe now. A human is around me and I am not following a social distancing norm. Now if I increase the distance from 200 centimeter to 230 centimeter, and then again, so as you can see, there is a detection of human, but the buzzer is not hitting. That means I am safe. And as you can see, I downloaded the code from the software, and to see if it's working or not, I compiled in Arduino, and as you can see, it is done compiling. I will again compile for you all, and it's done compiling. Also, with the help of IIT Kharagpur official YouTube channel, I have made a traffic light simulator, a Mario sound, and finally a rotation using survivor. Thanks for watching.